Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet Singh. Today I am present presentation on the topic reporting and documenting a specific small building in the New Zealand construction industry. First of all, small buildings. Small building typically refers to a structure with a simple architectural design and structural system compared to the larger buildings. They are often single or double story in height. The importance and relevance of small building design in New Zealand. Some of the importance of small building designs are as follows, like housing affordability, urban development, sustainability, community character, local business expansion, disaster resilience, and customization and flexibility. Factors that affect the design process of small buildings. First of all, functionality defines the building purpose and how space are utilized. Influence layout, room size, and spatial organization ensure the buildings meet the function requirements of its occupants. Second of sustainability guides the use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems. Impact the design to reduce energy consumption and environmental footprint. The third one is user need drives design to accommodate specific preferences and requirements of the occupants, includes considerations for accessibility, comfort, and usability, affects interior layout, aesthetics, and amenities.
No ventilation.
No AC.
The fourth one is material, cost, and time implications. Choice of materials impacts aesthetics, performance, cost, and design of building. Cost impacts are considered in material selection, construction method, and design complexity of buildings. Design criteria and safety factor in assessing design flows. Quantification. Some of the design criteria and safety factors as follows: understanding building purpose and occupancy, understand local building codes. Third point is identifying design load such as dead load or live load that the building will be subjected. Calculation of design load. The last one is apply safety factors as provided by the code during the design of a structural member of the building. Factor influencing design criteria selection. First one is building typically and intended use. The purpose and functions of the building mainly influence the design criteria. Requirements and specifications are different for residential or commercial buildings. The second point is geographic location and environment. So it's necessary that the design meet regulations and code to obtain permit and approval of the building. Some of the other factors are budget and cost constraint, safety risk and mitigations, sustainability and energy efficiency, client preferences and project goals. Key structure elements, foundation and substructure requirements. Assessing the essential components of structure, the foundation and the substructure in small building of paramount importance in maintaining the stability and safety of the building. Key structural elements. Structural elements are the primary building components that make up the framework and support system of a structure of buildings. They are designed and constructed to resist various loads and forces, ensuring the integrity, stability, and safety of the building. Common structural elements include column, beams, wall, roof, trusses, and any components that contribute of the building overload bearing capacity. First one is walls. They are vital or small buildings as the distribute vertical loads and provide lateral stability. Beams transfer loads from walls or columns to support opening and distribute loads horizontally. Third one is columns. Columns hold the vertical loads for beams and to transfer them to the foundation. Roof trusses. In the case of roofs, trusses support the roof's load and transfer it the walls and columns. The second point is foundations and substructure. A foundation for a small building is the structural component that serves as the base or support structure upon which the entire building rests. Foundations provide stability, prevent settling, and ensure the structural integrity of the building. The specific type and design of the foundation depend on factors like soil condition, the size and weight of the building, and local building codes. Some common types of foundations are strip foundations.
So why you try, okay? You have this 9 minutes on.
Basement substructure. Basements provide additional usable space and can be constructed using reinforced concrete walls and floors, which cause carefully consideration of waterproofing, drainage, and structural stability. Conclusion. Housing affordability, urban development, and disaster resilience are some of the importance of small buildings. Functionality, sustainability, user needs, material, time, the cost implications are some factors that impact the design process of small buildings. Budget and the cost constraints, geographic conditions, and other various factors influencing the design criteria of small buildings. Understanding structural elements from fundamental and substructure is vital for building stability and safety. Structural elements includes wall, beams, columns, and roof. Thank you.
Manpreet, I think the slides were appealing. There were only the problem is like you were just feeding the slides. You were not presenting them. That's the one of the problem what I feel. Yeah, but I can see that you have already had work on the creating your slides with the content and all the stuff. I just need to ask you one quick question. If you go back to your one slide, because I just don't want to make you confused more. Yeah. Yeah. So after this, yeah. So you said the factor influences the design criteria. You said there were the safety risks and mitigation, budget and cost constraints, sustainability and energy efficient, client preference, and the project cost. So here I would like to know why small buildings are more sustainable and energy efficient compared to the tall buildings. Yeah. Yes. Yes, please. Why small building? Why it's more sustainable? Why it's more energy efficient? If you find it hard, you can switch to why it is in the budget. Okay, switch the question to why it is in the budget and cost constraint.
Cost like cheap compared than the stores.
So
large
cost
buildings, yeah.
it's cheaper.
Yeah, cheaper.
Yes, compared to the
compared
tall
to the
buildings.
large buildings.
Yeah. But you know, the tall buildings, if you do the apartments, you can accommodate like 5 families to 10 families. It can be cheaper sometimes. But if there is small building, one residential house, well, fully, it might cost you more. And where you can only accommodate one family with 5 people in the house. So how you can defend this thing? Okay, what are the safety concerns in the small building compared to the tall buildings, bigger buildings? Why it is more safe? You said the safety risks and
Because
mitigation.
durability.
You said that thing. So I'm asking
Because
you,
of its
how it is safe?
durability.
Durability.
Yeah, because of its durability.
Durability.
Stability.
All the safety comes with the durability. You said about the safety risks and the mitigations.
Easy for access.
Just explain what you wrote in the safety risks and the mitigation. Just explain that to me. That's enough for me.
दूसरा slide लगाया ना.
So you wrote one factor that is safety risks
No.
and mitigation.
No. No, you don't have, ma'am.
I need your explanation on those things. Okay. One quick more question. I'll give you